Hey guys, so I just made it to Costco and I'm excited to show you some items that are already on sale and other items that are about to be on sale starting tomorrow, May 15. I'm looking forward to a lot of these items, so please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up since that really helps out my channel, and as always, I am very thankful for your support. So let's go ahead and grab a shopping cart and let's get shopping. And it's about to be that time of the year again where this Chosen Foods avocado oil spray, it's going to be on sale with $4.20 off. Costco already has such a great deal on it because you essentially get 2 bottles at the price of $12.79. And let me tell you, that's a lot cheaper still than a local grocery store. But it's going to have $4.20 off starting tomorrow, May 15th to June 9th. So it's definitely going to be one of those that you don't want to miss out on. I would even recommend to grab a couple of bottles of these if you do like to use them like on a daily basis, which is totally my case. 1/4 second of a spray is 0 calories. It's just avocado oil in here in terms of ingredients, and I really like this one. I will cook it with eggs. Sometimes I'll make my Mexican rice with it. So many options. I'll use it for like baking goods as well, and I really love this brand. I really like the Mandarin orange chicken from Costco. This one's by Cuisine, and it's of really good quality. I do like the taste. So this one's currently selling for $16, but it's another one of those items that's going to be on sale very soon. $4.70 off starting tomorrow from the total price. So it's going to be at a great deal, great time to stock up if you really like this product too. 1 cup is around 260 calories. I will say though that I feel like it doesn't have enough protein for me personally, so sometimes what I do like to do is grill some chicken breast on the side and then just mix it in with the sauce, and it mixes in like very nicely. I like to pair it with some white rice and then some steamed vegetables. So this egg wedge is also going to be on sale with $4.30 off. If you notice here on the egg wedge, it has no bread to it. The one that serves as a bread is actually, fully egg, or fully cooked egg, I should say. You have 8 egg wedges, and then these are selling for $14.89 currently, but again, starting tomorrow, they'll have a discount to them. The brand here is called Reds. I personally haven't tried these yet, but I did notice they're pretty good in protein, 17 grams. It does have around 12 grams of fat though, and then 590 in sodium for every 1 egg wedge, 190 calories in total. And personally for me, I really love Spindrift, so I'm excited to finally see it on sale once again. I remember there was a couple months ago where it was on sale quite often. All of a sudden it completely stopped. So I personally stopped buying it because it's a little pricey, I would say. You have 30 cans, $18.69 currently, but it is going to have $5 off from the total price. So I mean, I'll take whatever I can get. You have 3 different flavors. You have lime, lemon, and then grapefruit. The grapefruit one is interesting. All the flavors actually are very good, and all of them have juice to them, so there's no any like additional preservatives or anything like that. But the grapefruit one, it has a little bit of coloring to it, and it's pretty much the color from hibiscus flowers. So I thought that was super interesting, but I really like Spindrift, and I definitely recommend it. Here we have the Skechers Glide Light. These are also part of the incoming instant savings that start tomorrow. Right now they are selling for $35. Again, you won't be able to see the discount until tomorrow. Sizes 8 through 13 are available, and these shoes are pretty much going to have $6 off. They do have memory foam on the inside. They have shoelaces to them. These are a little bit different than the last ones we spotted at Costco, and I believe it's the first time these are going to be on sale. They also have them available in this really nice blue color. I have a Nutribullet at home, but I feel like it's definitely had a lot of upgrades since the one I purchased. Look at this. It's pretty much like stainless steel, and you have a couple of different to-go cups. I love that they have lids to them, and the cups now even have handles to them, which is something mine don't have at all. You also have a couple of stainless steel straws included in the set. This one's going to have $30 off, and it's called the Nutribullet Ultra Deluxe Single Serve Blender. Currently it's selling $120, but again, starting tomorrow it's going to have $30 off. If anyone wants to be doing themselves a little bit of an upgrade with their Nutribullet, it's going to be a great time to do so. And while I'm here at Costco, let me show you some clearance I just spotted. These are the 2-in-1 glass candle holders from the Mikasa brand, $9.97. My first time ever seeing them at this price. And these are absolutely beautiful. They do hold either a taper or pillar candle, and all three of them are also 3 different sizes. I just realized this pozole is getting a little harder to find. I'm not seeing it like in every single Costco location anymore, so definitely limited stock. This one I found it going for half price, so normally sells for $10.79. At this Costco, I spotted it going for $5.97, so that is a pretty good price. For a second there, I thought the expiration date had something to do with it, but I noticed it pretty much doesn't expire until like the end of June, so there's still quite a bit of time. I did grab a sample of it once, and I thought it was pretty decent for it being like packaged food. I thought it was pretty good. I definitely prefer my mom's pozole, but I don't think this is a bad choice at all. I also spotted in the candy aisle this new arrival. These are Hershey's miniatures. 180 pieces in total, and they're currently selling for $16.69 for a 56-ounce bag. It has different flavors. You have crispy crackle. You also have a rich Hershey's special dark chocolate bar. You have the nutty Mr. Good bar. And then also there's a creamy Hershey's chocolate. There you have some information regarding the nutrition facts. These Nike men's dry polo shirts also caught my attention. These are of really good quality, and I spotted them in 4 different colors. I found these going for the price of $28. And these are the different color options. They have them in black, navy blue. Over here you see the red one, and then also a really nice royal blue color. There's a couple of different sales already going on in the kitchenware section. So let's start off with these Melamine mixing bowls. These currently have $4 off, and you have 2 different color options to choose from. They have the white ones here on display. And these are definitely of better quality than the ones I purchased from Walmart. And mine are just like simple plastic, by the way. I do like that they have lids to them, so that makes it super convenient. You know, if you're going to take something over to like a loved one's house. They currently have, again, $4 off. And it's going to be for a limited time from what I can tell. This is the second color option that they do have, so you can choose white or the blue ones. I did purchase the Storck Flex style not that long ago, and I love it. But I've never tried the Smoothstyle that is also by Storck. So this one's supposed to have like a blow dryer mode and a heated comb mode, both in one machine. So both of them are supposed to operate like at the same time. I've seen some videos, and from what I can tell, it's supposed to give you like great volume along with straightening your hair and giving it some style and shape. It's on sale right now. And then it also includes a heat-resistant storage bag. And then you also have alligator hair clips to put your hair back, you know, and style it per section or divide your hair as you need to. But $20 off right now seems like to be of a pretty good sale. This KitchenAid Bolt lift stand mixer goes on sale quite often. This one is of 6 cords, and it has tons of different attachments. Currently it does have $100 off, but only for 5 more days, so until May 19th. Normally sells for $400, right now the price comes down to $300. And here it is on display, and this is what it looks like. Definitely perfect for anyone who may have like, you know, a small baking business, or if you have like a bigger family, or if you really love to bake a lot. 6 cords would be the measurement. Here are some of the attachments. You have the flat beater, a dough hook, a 6-wire whip, and then also a pouring shield included. I have the leopard makeup eraser, and I really like mine. This one is of different colors, of course, but I still think it does the exact same thing, which it basically removes makeup with just water, including like waterproof mascara, because I've tried it. This one right now has $5 off for a couple more days. Normally sells for $20, but right now the price comes down to $15. Has a laundry bag included, which is so nice because you can include the mini cloth into the laundry bag, and then you just, you know, you pretty much wash it. So yeah, it removes eyeliner, foundation, liquid lipstick, also like your sunscreen. You can use one side for removing your makeup and the other side to exfoliate your skin. Has anyone tried this shampoo right here? It's actually shampoo and conditioner. So the brand is called Carol's Daughter. It says here Goddess Strength, and I like that it includes castor oil. I do use castor oil for my hair, or I'll use it like as a little hair mask once in a while along with rosemary oil. But this is an interesting combo. So right now it has $10 off until May 26th. So you're paying $29 for a shampoo bottle and a conditioner. So think about it's about $15 per each one of them with the sale going on right now. Let me know if anyone's tried it and let me know if you recommend it. Here we have some Adidas sneakers for ladies that are currently on sale. These currently have $10 off until May 24th. Normally they sell for $37, but right now the price comes down to $27. And it seems like they have these in two different colors. So these are the black ones. They have a little bit of a blue detail to them. And then here are the gray ones. So it's just gray and white. I'm noticing they still have all sizes available. I also spotted these Adidas men's sneakers. These are also on sale right now, and these are only available in one color option, so you can only pretty much choose these gray with black ones. Normally they sell for $37, but until May 24th, you can buy these for $27. And I want to say my mother-in-law has one of these Dynatraps, and if I'm not mistaken, if anyone can confirm, by the way, does it make a sound anytime a little insect flies in there? Because I want to say that's something that my dog is very afraid of. I think he has like very sensitive ears. This one right now though does have $15 off, and from what I've seen, I mean, that thing works. You can hear the little zing, you know, anytime it grabs or it traps one of the little flies. But yeah, it's supposed to generate like a light, and so that pretty much makes all the insects and mosquitoes attracted to the light, and so that's how they pretty much end up in this thing. But so far it seems like it works. Over here on this side they did have it on display. Again, I'm not sure if it's the exact same one my mother-in-law has, but I know she has it hanging from here like in the backyard, and so far it seems like it totally works. And if anyone happens to be looking for a new pair of jeans, especially for men, these are from the brand Izod, and these are currently on sale. So these right now have $4 off until May 19th. The price comes down to $13, which I think is very reasonable for a pair of jeans. These have a straight fit to them, and they have 5 different pockets. My husband really likes these Stonefire non-dippers, so I know he's going to want to take one of these home. Right now they are on sale with $2 off, and it seems like the sale's going to last a good while actually. June 9th, so $4.79 for these little non-dippers. That's pretty good. 5 pieces, around 150 calories. I know he likes to have it, you know, sometimes with the little guacamole cups that Costco also sells. And other times whenever we've bought the Tomb product, the garlic dip one, this is an excellent combination as well. Definitely more of a little treat, but they're very tasty. This coconut shrimp with the sweet Thai chili sauce is also very addicting. These are from the Royal Asia brand, and they are currently on sale right now. I'm noticing a lot of people grabbing these. Right now they do have $4 off, so it seems like the sale's gonna end on May 26th. So $10.99 for one package. The nice part about this product is that you can definitely use your air fryer to heat up the shrimp. It takes about roughly like 7 to 8 minutes. 4 ounces including the sauce, around 113 grams, a total of 390 calories. Now let me show you some pretty cool deals I'm also seeing online. This one right here, it's a mug, but it's like a smart mug because it's supposed to keep your beverage hot. Currently online, it's being sold and it only has $20 off. I remember last year we did see it like at the warehouse, and I don't think we've seen it at all this year, to be honest with you. But I don't think last time around we saw this green color, which I thought was really nice. If I'm not mistaken, we only saw it in black, maybe white. But this one holds up to 14 fluid ounces in liquid. This one is an iron Dutch oven and a 4-quart casserole. So it's a 2-pack with $30 off. This is a really nice blue shade of color. I actually really like this. So currently has $30 off. The price comes down to $100 with the shipping and handling already included. But look at that. It's available in 2 colors. This one is the dark blue one. Let me know which one of these 2 you like best. The Wuzu 360 pedestal fan. I also spotted this one online with $20 off. Normally sells for $100. And right now it's selling for $80 with shipping and handling included. Seems like a lot of people like this one. 4.8 out of 5 star. Not bad Wuzu at all. I actually just purchased a Wuzu. The ones they had, I think it was like 2 months ago on sale in the warehouse. And it doesn't have the pedestal fan. And I can totally see why one would need one. I mean, sometimes I just want it to be a little higher, but it's an excellent product. So I can totally see why people really like this one. I think Shark came out with something that was very similar to this. But let me know which of the two performs better if anyone has any experience with those. This one's a Trinity wire basket with a slide, and it comes in a 2-pack. So it pretty much like slides out, which I thought was really cool. Here's a little attachment thing. So, you know, if you need something like this in your kitchen, in your bathroom, just know it's available online right now with $25 off. Normally sells for $85, but right now the price comes down to $60, and shipping and handling is also already included. The s'mores maker. I can't remember if we're still able to see this one in the warehouse. I don't think so, actually. I don't think I've seen it in quite a while now. But right now online it does have $9 off, and normally sells for $29, but right now with the discount the price comes down to $20. The Vitamix, in case your local warehouse does not carry the Vitamix, you can also buy it online. From what I've seen, Costco has always amazing deals on their Vitamix, because Vitamix is an expensive blender, I must say, but you are definitely getting what you're paying for because it's of really good quality. I have one, and it's like the E520, which is an older model, but yeah, that blender's not going anywhere. I really like it. I use it on a daily basis still. This one right now has $80 off online, and as you can see, 4.5 out of 5 stars. If anyone owns cats, this cat tree is beautiful. Costco always has great cat trees from what I can tell. But this was called the Vesper High Base Cat Tree, and I think the color option is called Walnut. $25 off right now for this cat tree. It's selling for $100. Here we have the Pyrex 10-piece Ultimate Glass Food Storage Set. I love food storage sets that are made out of glass. I definitely prefer them over plastic. I know they're a little heavier, but I mean, I think that's just, you know, my personal preference. Right now they do have $10 off. Pretty good reviews too, 4.7 out of 5 stars. So the price comes down currently down to $40, from $50 to $40 down to $40 it goes. This one, it's the Bird Rock Home Lazy Susan with the chalkboard edge. If you can find it in your warehouse, just know that it's also now available online. It doesn't have an additional discount to it just yet. So currently it's selling for $29. And here we have these memory foam pillows by Serenity by Tempur-Pedic. This one currently online does have $10 off. These are a little bit different than the ones I purchased. I have some memory foam pillows. I want to say it's also by the same brand. But these definitely have a different shape to them. So let me know if anyone's tried these before. 4.1 out of 5 stars. They currently have $10 off. And that is all the updates that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.